What's up guys? Welcome to The Smart Student. My name is Chelsea Seaburn and this video is going to be a little different, actually a lot different than all of my videos. So right now it is November 1st. And what is November? Well, it's my birthday month. But aside from that, it's also the month of giving thanks. So I want to thank you guys for supporting the Smart Student channel. Maybe you've been here throughout the entire time or you're new to the channel, doesn't matter. This is cheesy and I say it all the time, but I truly mean it. Actually, I don't mean it, it's a fact and it's true. I'm only successful because you guys are successful. So the fact that you show up to this channel and you're investing in yourself, investing in your learning, and you're applying that to your classes, doing better in writing papers, whatever it may be, that's why I'm here right now. And so what I want to do, or my idea to give thanks to you guys, is I want to do a giveaway this month. And what I'm going to give away is free tuition to 3 students for my Smart Student Writing Academy. If you've been with me for a while, then you know what the Smart Student Writing Academy is, but for those of you that don't, the nutshell version is that the Writing Academy is my personal program. It is comprehensive, expansive, and what it does is it walks college students through the entire process of writing academic papers from start to finish. There's mini courses in there about APA 7th edition for those of you that struggle with that. There's a mini course about paraphrasing, translating your research into writing, which a lot of students are finding value in. There's a bunch of downloadable worksheets, templates. I could go on and on, so I'm gonna stop there. Instead, let's talk about how you can enter to win that free tuition. By the way, if you've already purchased the Smart Student Writing Academy or you plan on purchasing it now so you can use it now, you can still enter in this drawing. Here's how you do it. So, on any of my YouTube videos, you're gonna use the thanks feature at the bottom of the video. As you can see, there's a thanks icon. You're gonna select that, and I think there's 3, 4, 5 options. Select one of those options to give thanks to the video. And by the way, don't worry about how much you choose. Literally choose the lowest amount. I'm gonna be pulling these out at random. So truly just give thanks that you feel right for the channel. Now this next step is very important. What you need to do after you submit your YouTube thanks to that video, go back down to your comment in the comment section. I want you to reply to your own comment and give me your email address so I can contact you if you're the winner, but also feel free to let me know a little bit about yourself and why you want free tuition to the Writing Academy. I love learning about you guys. It's my favorite thing in the world to interact with you. I try and interact with as many of you as possible, as I'm sure you already know. But simple as that, you can enter any day throughout November 2021. Don't know when you're watching this video, but I'm gonna select the 3 winners on December 1st. I will send you an email with the one that you leave on your thanks. Now, the last thing I wanna do before I finish this video is, well, I wanna give you guys a thank you from the bottom of my heart. So a lot of you have already been using this new feature, YouTube Thanks, which is kind of crazy. It is the coolest thing in the world for me to see, but YouTube rolled it out about a month ago, a couple months ago. I don't remember, but basically, so many of you have already been using it, showing support for this channel. And like I said before, it's your guys' success that makes me successful. So do me a favor, keep showing up to this channel, keep investing in your learning, in your growth, doing better in your classes, because I promise, I'm gonna keep showing up for you guys. Speaking of which, I will see you in the next video.